We're looking at a fat person's chair. Well, oversized mesh chair with cooler. Weight, 400 pounds. Most of these chairs that you see are only good for 250 pounds, and I'm slightly over that. So I was looking in Walmart, and I asked a worker there, and they were able to pull one of these out. They had a big display, but I guess they were different styles and different weight ratings. And I neglected to see this weight rating box here and saying this is good for 400 pounds. It's got a built-in carry strap, okay, and let's see what else it has. It holds up, it has a cooler next to it, holds up to 9 cans. Wow. It it doesn't say how much it weighs, but to me this is a little heavier than some of the lightweight chairs you buy with a lower weight rating. You know, there's two ways, well, more than two ways, but to make things more rugged is usually to just use thicker materials or use better materials. Oh, we're going to go to a third, or better design. So a lot of times you can beef something up just by making the parts bigger. So we'll see what this is like. Let's open this up. Yeah, let's open this up. Oh, it's kind of like a stuff sack. It's got a little toggle on it here. Well, get a kind of. There we go. It's purple. Got a bottle opener. Here's a kind of detail shot. There's even a bottle opener. It's funny, they got a bottle opener, but in the picture of it they showed cans in this, but there's a little expandable thing that looks like it would hold quite a few cans, and you can crunch it back up and velcro it, I guess. And it has this zipper hole. And over on the other side, we have this. So, all in all, pretty good. So, like anything else, we'll have to try this out for a while. To me, if this lasts us a season or two, oh, I didn't say it was $19.95, which is usually what these cost. I was looking, I saw an ad at Cabela's for one. That was over 250 pounds, and it was $69, and they didn't have it in stock. Then I was at a hardware store where they had a one that had a higher rating. It looked like, I couldn't see the tag exactly, but it was $59 also. And you know me, you can call me frugal or cheap, but just call me for dinner. But here we go. This is, let me get the packaging and we'll talk about it. It's the Ozark Trails Walmart brand. So here we go. It's the Ozark Trail. This one is purple, oversized mesh chair with cooler, a built-in universal umbrella holder and cooler. Umbrella holder. Built-in umbrella holder. Man, I don't see a built-in umbrella holder. Oh, yeah, there's a loop here, a Velcro loop. I assume that's what that is. There's some other Velcro tabs here. Not sure what for. And chair folds and has carry strap. Mesh back and seat with built-in cup holder. So the idea behind the mesh, I think, is that it would be cooler. You're usually on using these out when the weather's warm. So there we are. 1995 Walmart Ozark Trail brand.